Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create a road level report and manage point settings using civil site design on BricsCAD. In this video, we'll cover how to generate a road level report, import point data, and customize point styles. First, let's create a road level report. Head over to the Roads tab, click on the Report section and select Cross-Section Coordinate Report. Click anywhere on your drawing and you'll see a window with options to choose from: Selected Sampled Sections, All Sampled Sections, or Edit Sampled Section List. Remember, a sampled section indicates the frequency along the corridor. Let's click the Edit button to explore further. Here, you'll see a list of sections, types, setouts, and more. You can uncheck any details you don't need, but for this tutorial, we'll leave everything as is. Once done, click Apply and Exit. Next, choose Selected Sampled Section. This will open another window where you can adjust the report settings. You can even upload a predefined style if you prefer. For now, we'll keep it simple by selecting the codes as per the pre-made template and using the default settings. You can save this style or simply click OK. A detailed text file will now be generated, showing all the points in your road plan. To import this report file or any other file, go to the Surface tab and click on the Import Points button. In the File Format section, click Edit to adjust preferences like the format or column settings. After making changes, click Close. Browse to locate the file, then click Open. A preview window will help you review the data before importing it into your drawing. Now, let's look at the import settings. Here, you can adjust the point style and code set table. If needed, you can enable survey settings, but for this tutorial, we'll keep that unchecked. The software also has an option to create a surface in the points group by default. If you don't want this, simply uncheck the box. Once your settings are finalized, click Import Points. Now that your points are imported, let's update their style. While still in the Surface tab, go to Points Group. A window will appear, allowing you to choose your preferences. To change the overall style, select all the points, click the Options button, and select Replace Style. A window will appear where you can pick the desired point style and format. In this tutorial, we'll use the P-Circle style. Click Apply and you'll see the changes immediately. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to create road level reports, import point data, and adjust styles using civil site design on BricsCAD. Whether you're fine-tuning designs or setting up points, this process makes it easy to enhance your workflow. Get started today by contacting us to receive your free trial of both BricsCAD and civil site design. Happy designing!